for your first Italian song, I'm going to tell you a few rules about Italian in general, and then we'll chant the diction so you can copy. Have you ever taken Spanish? Yeah, you took Spanish class.
Yeah.
So the vowels are the same. The E's make an A, I's make an E. And did they talk to you in your Spanish class about diphthongs?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So no diphthongs, just open vowels.
Yeah.
And the T's and D's, just like in Spanish, are dentalized. So you will put your tongue up on your teeth. So instead of say to mommy, we'll be like say tu. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Easy.
We've had I've been friends with the Italian foreign exchange students at our school.
Yeah,
so
well, that'll help
I
too.
pretty much just listen to what they say.
Nice. And this, the rules that I'm going to tell you are the rules for singing classical Italian art songs and arias. It's not necessarily the rules for speaking Italian in Italy today.
Yeah.
Not the same necessarily. And I don't speak Italian, so I only can sing in it. So the first line is se tu mammi.
Se tu mammi.
Se tu sospiri.
Se tu sospiri.
Sol per me.
Sol per me.
Gentil pastor.
Gentil pastor.
Oh yeah, the R's are all rolled or flipped, just like Spanish.
Yeah.
O diletto.
O diletto
Del tuo amor.
del tuo amor.
Ma se pensi. Ma se pensi.
Oh yeah. Oh, we skipped that part. So
Did I skip
Yeah, it
this
goes,
one?
We skipped this line.
Oh,
O
sorry.
delorte tui martiri.
Right. Tuoi martiri.
Tuoi martiri. O
So
diletto
we just say each vowel. Tuoi.
tuoi martiri.
And then ma se pensi.
Ma se pensi.
And then the CHs will make a ke,
Che soletto.
which is different than Spanish.
Spanish, yeah.
So that's an opposite, and so is QU. The QUs here will make a qua instead of a k. Yeah, there's a few things like that it's hard because they're so similar, but there are a few differences we have to remember. Okay, where were we?
We were right there.
Right here. Io ti deba.
Io ti deba riamar.
Pastorello sei soggetto.
Pastorello sei soggetto.
Facilmente attinganar.
Facilmente attinganar.
Bella rosa porporina.
Bella rosa porporina.
Oggi Silvio sceglierà.
Oggi Silvio sceglierà.
Sceglierà. Yeah, and this GL is the yeah. Yeah, it's a weird sound.
Sceglierà.
You'd think it would be gl, but it's not. Con la scusa della spina.
Con la scusa della spina.
Doman poi la sprezzerà.
Doman poi la spezzerà. Sprezzerà.
Yeah.
Sprezzerà.
Ma degli uomini il consiglio.
Ma degli uomini un consiglio. I can't get that one as well. Consiglio.
Yeah. These vowels that are next to each other will be elided when you're singing, but I'll separate them right now. So ma degli uomini.
Ma degli uomini un consiglio.
Il consiglio.
Il consiglio.
Io per me.
Non
seguirò.
Non
perché mi piace. And these are elided in the song, but it's piace il giglio.
Non perché mi piace il giglio.
But perché.
Oh, non perché mi piace il giglio. I'm going to move it a little closer because my glasses, I need to get a new prescription. Non perché mi piace. Piace? No, piace.
Yeah.
Non perché mi piace il giglio. Giglio.
Yes, and I forgot to say this, but you did do this correctly. The C's make a ch when there's an I or an E after,
that's what I
like cello.
Yeah.
Which is opposite of Spanish instead of a s.
Yeah.
Gli altri fiori.
Gli altri fiori sprezzero.
Right. Yeah. Wow. Easy peasy for you. Good job. Any questions about any of that? Okay. Great job.